Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So today I will actually go over how you can save money by buying second-hand mobile phone. Specifically, I will be looking at the Apple iPhone. I believe that saving money is a key to build wealth and become wealthy over the long term. This year, the new iPhone 12 came out and I will be looking at the top model. So that is the iPhone 12 Pro Max with the biggest screen of all. We will focus on the 256GB capacity because I believe that's the storage capacity that's sufficient for most people. So what's the price of this iPhone 12 Pro Max 256GB this year? Brand new in Australia, the price is $2019. This one's the brand new price. If I go to ebay.com.au, I will be able to find a second-hand iPhone 11 Pro Max from 1 year ago. The same 256GB capacity and similar screen size for only $1,100 give or take. This model is only 1 year old. My aim today is to find the sweet spot for you guys, to find out which year gives you guys the best bang for your buck. What if we do not need a device which is 1 year old? What if we can stretch our useful life a little bit further to, let's say, 2 years old? Well, 2 years ago, the iPhone that came out is the iPhone XS. I will be looking at the iPhone XS Max because so far we have been using the top of the range series, the one with the biggest screen, which is the one that I like to use to be more productive. And again, I will be looking at the 256GB capacity. So on eBay as of today, I can find this kind of mobile phone for only $700 secondhand. If I'm happy to go backwards even further to 3 years, I will be able to find the iPhone X 256GB, and the price for this secondhand device as of today is only $400. If I go one step further, 1 year further, back to 4 years ago, I can purchase an iPhone 7 Plus 256GB for only $300. So where am I going with this? So from this analysis, the sweet spot for your mobile phone purchase is to buy an iPhone that is released 3 years ago. So with this one, you can buy this today for only $400 secondhand on eBay, and then next year, what you can do is you can sell that for, let's say, $300. So that means your annual cost, your annual holding cost of having this iPhone that's 3 years old is only $100 per year. So if you repeat this every single year you only need to spend $100 and you get to have a device which is 3 years old at any particular point in time. This is so much cheaper compared to if you buy an iPhone which is brand new, released this year. If you buy something which is released this year, you will be spending $2019 this year, and when you go to sell it next year, you will only receive around $1,100. So that's almost $1,000 down the drain each year. You'll find that if you want to get wealthy and follow the FIRE movement, you really want to be able to save a lot of money. The more you save, the quicker you get to a millionaire status. If let's say you save $1,000 and you're able to invest this at a 10% annual rate of return, in 10 years you will actually end up having around $2,600. In 50 years, which is probably when you retire, you will actually end up having $117,000 just by starting with $1,000 on day one. Did you find this video useful? If so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to become a millionaire in your 30s.